Hi everyone, I have a full set of jams on, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove them and put a new one on. Just one finger. So I have all my tools here, and I have this special tool which is a flosser. So I'm just going to remove one jam very carefully, very gently, so we don't do any damage to my nail. There we go. Off comes that one. I'll just fix up the cuticles with my rubber cuticle pusher. Give it a bit of a clean with a alcohol wipe. And I'm ready to apply a new wrap. So I'm going to cut it in half. Peel it off. Always use one of these so that you don't get the oils from your fingers on the wrap. Heat it up with this little baby for about 3 seconds. And it's ready to go on. Just find the sweet spot. Smooth it on. Lots of pressure makes it stick really well. Now you're ready to trim off the excess. I prefer using scissors, but you can use any scissors or nail trimmers. And then you sort of file the excess really gently. There you go. So you see, it's really easy to remove and apply jams anytime you want.